Now, who knows ultimately what's going to happen?
A dramatic shift in tone from U.S. President Donald Trump on North Korea. Trump tweeted Friday that he cancelled Secretary of State Mike Pompeo's planned trip to North Korea next week because, quote, "we are not making sufficient progress toward the goal of denuclearizing the Korean peninsula." The decision appearing to come out of left field and undermining Pompeo's efforts. Pompeo had announced the trip just one day earlier, saying he would take along his new U.S. Special Representative Stephen Biegun. Trump had previously hailed his June summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un as a success and said the North Korean nuclear threat was over.
No nuclear tests, no rockets going up, no missiles going over Japan.
But negotiations since that summit have stalled. On Friday, Trump partly blamed China for the lack of progress, saying, quote, "because of our much tougher trading stance with China, I do not believe they are helping with the process of denuclearization as they once were." While Trump's Friday tweets derided North Korea, he ended them by sending his, quote, "warmest regards and respect to Chairman Kim," adding, quote, "I look forward to seeing him soon."